Something extraordinary is happening in the United States that could completely change the way we move across the country. Imagine traveling faster than a commercial airplane but never leaving the ground. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. America has just unveiled a project that might redefine transportation forever. While other countries are still struggling with outdated rail systems, the US is engineering a machine that looks like it came straight out of the future. From vacuum tubes that eliminate air resistance to magnetic propulsion that lifts an entire train above the ground, this innovation could make cross-country travel as fast as flying. Today, I'm going to show you the most revolutionary high-speed projects being developed in the United States, including the incredible American Hyperloop train that's breaking every speed record on land. Stay until the end, because what you'll see at number 1 might change how you think about travel forever. We start in the heart of the Nevada desert, where engineers have turned a dream into reality. The Virgin Hyperloop project has already reached speeds of over 1,078 kilometers per hour during its tests, faster than most commercial planes. This futuristic system places passenger pods inside near vacuum tubes, removing almost all air resistance. As a result, the pods float using magnetic levitation, gliding with no friction at all. Imagine sitting inside a capsule that travels through a tube faster than sound. That's what's being built right now in the American desert. The technology uses electromagnetic propulsion to shoot the pods forward like bullets through a barrel. And because there's no drag, energy efficiency is off the charts. It's not just fast, it's sustainable. A trip from Los Angeles to San Francisco could take only 35 minutes. That's faster than any commercial jet currently flying over US airspace. In California, Elon Musk's team is taking things even further. This version of the Hyperloop aims to reach speeds over 1,200 kilometers per hour, potentially making it the fastest land transport ever built. Unlike traditional trains, these pods operate in sealed tunnels underground, completely independent of weather or surface obstacles. Using advanced vacuum pumps, the tunnels maintain extremely low air pressure, allowing near supersonic speeds with minimal energy consumption. The engineering precision is extreme. Even a 1 mm misalignment could cause disaster. To prevent that, sensors monitor every centimeter of track in real time. The project could revolutionize travel between major US cities, connecting Los Angeles, Las Vegas, and Austin in under an hour. It's not a dream anymore. It's being tested right now. Moving to the East Coast, the US is preparing to launch one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in its history, a superconducting maglev line connecting Washington, D.C. to New York City. Powered by Japanese technology and American funding, the Northeast maglev will travel at 500 kilometers per hour, cutting travel time from 4 hours to just 1. What makes it extraordinary is its levitation system. The train floats 10 centimeters above the tracks using powerful superconducting magnets cooled to near zero. That means no wheels, no friction, and no mechanical wear. When complete, passengers will glide silently beneath the city at speeds never seen before in the United States. It's quiet, clean, and faster than flying. America's national rail operator is staying behind. The new Amtrak Avelia Liberty trains, designed by Alstom, are the next generation of high-speed rail for the U.S. Northeast Corridor. These trains reach 350 kilometers per hour in testing and will operate commercially at 300, but speed isn't their only strength. They use articulated cars with tilting technology that lets them handle sharp curves without slowing down. Inside, everything is digital, from self-adjusting air pressure to automatic power regeneration when braking. The Avelia Liberty is the first step toward transforming the Northeast Corridor into a genuine high-speed rail network, proving that the U.S. can compete with Europe and Asia. In the South, Texas is building America's first true bullet train, connecting Dallas and Houston in just 90 minutes. This massive project uses Japanese Shinkansen and 700S technology, a proven system capable of 360 kilometers per hour. Built with American steel and Japanese precision, it symbolizes a partnership that could redefine U.S. transportation. The train's aerodynamic design was inspired by the kingfisher bird, minimizing noise and energy use. When completed, it will move over 14 million passengers per year, saving countless hours of highway traffic and airplane delays. For the first time, the United States will have a railway that rivals Japan's legendary bullet trains. The largest infrastructure project in North America and underway across California. Spanning over 800 kilometers, this network will connect San Francisco to Los Angeles at speeds up to 350 kilometers per hour. Construction involves thousands of engineers and workers building bridges, tunnels, and viaducts through mountains and deserts. It's America's answer to Europe's TGV and China's CRH, a symbol of engineering power and national ambition. Despite delays and controversy, the dream remains alive, a clean, all-electric high-speed system that will reshape how Californians travel and how America views sustainable mobility. While most people associate NASA with space, few know the agency is also developing advanced aerodynamics for land transportation. The Sustainable High-Speed Transport Initiative uses space-grade materials and airflow design from supersonic jets to create low-drag train shells capable of 600 kilometers per hour. NASA's wind tunnels are being used to test these designs, aiming to merge aviation and rail into one seamless transport concept. It's not just fast, it's the fusion of aerospace and terrestrial technology, the next evolution of American innovation. And finally, the most ambitious project of them all, the American supersonic maglev, currently in development by a consortium of engineers from MIT, the U.S. Department of Energy, and several private firms. This experimental system combines magnetic levitation with near-vacuum tubes to reach a theoretical speed of 1,200 kilometers per hour. Imagine boarding a pod in New York and arriving in Chicago in under an hour. That's what this could make possible. The train is designed to monitor over 10,000 variables per second, adjusting magnetic fields dynamically for stability and safety. Built with carbon fiber alloys and superconducting magnets, it redefines what ground travel means. If successful, it will become the fastest train ever built, faster than a plane, quieter than a car, and cleaner than any existing transport system. This is not just engineering. It's the dawn of a new American era. What we're witnessing is nothing short of a transportation revolution. From Hyperloop pods that float in vacuum tubes to superconducting trains that defy friction, the United States is proving that the future of mobility doesn't belong to the skies alone. It's returning to the ground. The question now, if these trains will replace airplanes for short distances, but when? Will America once again lead the world in speed, innovation, and technology? Let me know in the comments what you think about traveling faster than an airplane without ever leaving the ground. And don't forget to subscribe to NextGen USA for more content like this. See you in the next one.